Hello everyone friends, today we are at GGDROP. We have $1,000. We will try to multiply it. Let's see if we can do it. If you want to multiply like me, you can click at the end and use my code on the open page. You can also benefit from bonuses, friends. Just having the app is enough. As you can see, there are many payment methods here. You can select what you want and proceed with your payment. Let's hurry up and start multiplying. Let's see what we will multiply today. We should also take a look at that. As you can see, friends, there is this section here in the veil part. I will also put the wheel code here in the description section, friends. Don't forget to use it. Now, let's quickly move on to multiplying. Now, we have event boxes. We will make good. We will begin well. Let's see what results we can achieve. This is important for us. Right now we have a profit of $200 and it has increased a bit more. Friends, We did a great doubling today. Let's open the last boxes now. We didn't achieve a very good result from here. Anyway, friends, that's it for this video. See you in the next videos. Goodbye.